Tikman na natin. Ito yung sinasabi nilang masarap eh. Opo, sa nagbebenta po nito. Doon po, nagpa-picture po siya. Ito po kay Mrs.
Luto.
Luto po yan ha. Tsura pa lang, masarap na eh.
Masarap. Sa'yo.
Tikman natin. First bite. Thank you, Lord.
Daddy, the thing.
Mmm! The best. Sarap. Ito yung isa. Anong pangalan ito?
The spicy ahi and then the other one is limo. Pick it up, bebe. Go pick
Spicy
it up.
ahe. Tikman natin.
Go pick it up. Go pick it up, all of the trash. Meron? Pero iba yung lasa.
Sarap.
Paborito ko yung spicy
The
ahi.
best. The best.
Okay. Here, bebe, ah.
Sarap.
Here, musubi.
Sarap sa ganito. Open area.
May rice sa ilalim, pakita mo.
Oo nga. Meron naman. Panita. Meron pa nito.
Musubi, nahulog na.
Nahulog.
Akin na.
Musubi. First bite.
No.
Mmm.
Here, bebe.
Is it my turn to bite?
Sarap. Sarap ng mga pagkain dito. Kumakain dito tapos nandito yung ano. Ano yan? Sombrero Island?
Chinaman's hat.
Chinaman's Hat Island.
Mommy, bite.
Lumipad na. Lumipad na yung styro.
Lahat lumipad. Get the key, bebe. Fell down. Ano to? Everything went fly.
Alam mo.
Yeah, uncle, we can
Sarap.
get some. He fell asleep, that's why.
Patingin mo yung sa'yo.
No,
Yeah, it's a celebrity.
Nobody wants to take picture with you. They take picture with your daddy.
Pitigin mo ako, babe.
Ito, anong tawag dito sa'yo?
Imitation crab.
Imitation crab. Samahan natin ng rice.
Uy, did you swim?
No,
Did you see? There's a lot of mermaids in there. Did you see the
Sarap.
mermaid?
no, I want to get the tail so I can swim.
Ngayon.
Mommy,
Chinaman has the homeless slowly.
mommy, mommy. Anya fell asleep in the car.
Your teeth. I found it there, your teeth.
Hook mo.
Sarap. Lahat masarap.
Did you
Asan
saw
chicken?
that?
Asan? Dito?
Dad, did you saw
The paper
that?
bag.
Dad, did you saw that?
Thank you. The what?
Baby bird. Ano?
Tikman ko nga yung spicy.
Manok. Pwede ba sa'yo? Bawal sa'yo.
Pwede nga!
Bawal nga. Sabi ko.
Ipal. Saan? Ay, puro.
Manok.
Saan?
Tapos samahan pa nito. Pas o guava. Ito. Lychee.
Lilikoy. Lychee.
Lilikoy lychee.
Harap no? Lychee.
Lasang lychee. Ba't ganun?
Wala ulo.